Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome settings. And in this video, I will show you on how to change your font size, typeface, or how to zoom page in Chrome browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is scroll down right here, continue to until you get to settings right here. Then the settings sections right here, come to the search settings right here. You can go ahead and type in fonts. So once you type in fonts, then you're going to see a similar result. Press enter key on your keyboard. And you can scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Then you have font size right here. So under the font size by custom, you can click on custom. You can change from custom to small right here. So if I click on the new tab right here and I go to a particular website, if I click on this page right here, just for me to read this page right here. So you can see the font on this web page here are very small. So if I come back to settings right here, I click on here, I choose recommended medium. Then let's go back to the site. Now you see the font drastically changed from the site right here. If I come back to settings here, I decide to make it large. Let's go back. Then you can see the font here is more larger, which make it more readable for me. If I come back right here and switch to recommended, which is medium, let's go back to the web page. We have it as medium right here. Lastly, how can you simply zoom a page in Google browser? So for that, you have the page zoom right here. Go ahead and click on page zoom. Then you can decide to zoom to about 125. If I come to the web page right here, it has drastically zoomed. If I come back right here and I click on page zoom again and try to make it 200, which is more bold right here. If I come to the web page right here, I have my page readable and fully zoomed and zoom out right here. So if I come back to page zoom right here, I can decide to return back to 100%. Then we come back here, everything will return back to 100% as the case may be. It's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to set up your Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.